and that is a tree that fills the water. In the birds and flies, soaring to the sky, signifies and hope. But life is not the only thing we know. So, join us today as I show you a glimpse of how truly amazing and intelligent these birds are. Let us all welcome our friend, Mrs. Bird. Check out the blower to look at magnitudes and being known to all the senses. These birds are from Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white-red groups. There you go! The show has officially started. A round of applause for now on the picture 14. My God, soundtrack. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park. Where do you want me to put this object? On your left, on your right, or in the middle? Now which side? Left, right, or middle? Okay, so let's put it right here. Now let's call our second bird Dazzle. Dazzle is our silver-breasted cockatoo. Scientifically Kakatuwagalita. They inhabit the open woodlands and forests along the east coast of Australia. They are versatile birds and can mimic almost any sound. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, and rambutan. And they also love corn. Now guys, do you think Dazzle has the ability to find the hidden object? If it yes, then say, you can do it, Dazzle! Come on, Dazzle, you can do it! And she found it! A round of applause for Dazzle, big winner, Dina. Now, for our next featured birds are just like any married couple, monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battle. Meet Sassy and Rocky, our beautiful pair bring Hawk. And today, they will battle to help see who's the best in basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me hear you say Sassy, Sassy. And how about for the boys? Let's cheer for Rocky, Rocky, Rocky. Okay, birds ready? Trainers ready, set, go. Here's Rocky on his first ball, followed only by Sassy. Another one for Rocky, and it's a tie. And for the last ball, Rocky wins. Trainer Regine, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Oh, that we want another race.
Oh, do you want another race, Trainer John?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is the ring race?
The first bird who drop 3 rings into the bowl, the fastest the winner, and that is the ring race.
So, the ring race it shall be. Remember that boys already have 1 point. So, girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rogan's first ring. Second ring for Rocky. Oh, hey, what's happening? Sassy beat up the 2 rings. At the same time, hold the lever is that. And the winner is Sassy. Trainer John, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys did it!
Oh, he thinks you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Sassy and Rocky with Trainer Regine and Trainer John. Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills in active work. Here is Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the tree back to its correct slot. Just like Sassy, Bringing from South America, and they are known to be the gentle giants of the Basta family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth cocos. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachlorofera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. And for the last sheep, and the reward of the right all for Sassy with trainer Regine. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Situation. But first, trainer Mark will shuffle the numbers. And now it's gonna happen before Rocky. Trainer John's now ready? Okay, go Rocky, solve the equation for us. And Rocky gets the first number correct. But how about the second number? Well, Rocky loves numbers. So Rocky, why don't you try again? And Rocky gets the number 0. So 8 plus 32 is equal to 40. A round of applause for Rocky with trainer John. Oh. Scientific name is Bumbumbalabensis. These birds can be found in Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Catanduanes, and possibly Korea. And they are growing lines, circle, shadow. They are locally known as Lawi or Banong in Visayas region. And now let's all welcome our chickens. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, we have our home and pigeons. Home pigeons is named Holy Willy, meaning they will gently return to its nest and mate. Our rhodophones are raptors, our chickens, and our homing pigeons. Let's check out bird bit. So here's another bird once again, and they will show us the proper wing disposal. See, that's how long the birds can do it. We believe that so can everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, we all hope you enjoy our show. No matter how small the efforts, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only hope we've got. Now let me present to you the birds and the trainers who made this show possible. Trainer Regine with Bonnie. Trainer John with Rocky. Trainer Vince with Sassy. Trainer Vina with Mo. Trainer Vernie with Shadow. And once again, I'm Trainer Mikey. Thank you